YouTube video. I know you just saw me getting shot. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Anyway, today we're gonna do a try not to say wall challenge. Yeah, it's a pretty random challenge, not gonna lie. But there's a punishment this time, and the punishment is if I lose the challenge, I have to get shot by the Ultra Nerf gun. This thing can really hurt people, so I'll try my best not to say wall. And anyway, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're in try not to say wall challenge. And why is he wearing a mask? I don't know. I don't understand how that's gonna make me say wall. Anyway, you already know how it goes. 1, 2, 3 lives. I've already done this with try not to laugh challenge. Anyway, let's get right into it. Nah, that has to be CGI. That can't be real. That is so CGI, man. That would be scary. That's so high up. You would have to be like, oh. Oh, this is like so hard. Instead of saying whoa, I'm gonna say ooh. Ooh. How does that work? It's like, that's pretty sciencey right there. No way. I saw this video on a Dan TDM. How did it, what? Magic, we have some magic cotton candy. Drop a like if you would eat this cotton candy. Well, it's getting bigger. That is a lot of sugar. I feel like that's not really good for you. What? It's rainbow cotton candy. Whoa! Oh no! Oh, 1 life gone. No, I have 2 lives left. Jeez, this is scary.
Hey.
What is that? It's like infinite. Nah, that has to be like mirrored. Dirty car. That's a pretty dirty car. Oh, that's kind of scary. Oh, nobody's drawing. Oh, it's a dog. Oh. I don't know how long that took. Like, imagine making that. It rains the next day, your art is completely ruined. It's Tarzan. Tiger. I didn't know tigers can swim. What? 20 hours to make this video. That would take me more than 20 hours. Big boom. Oh, yes. Oh, pow. Yeah, that was cool. Just having a cup of coffee above the clouds, you know, it's pretty normal. No way, how high are they? Wait, hit what? That money bucket list. I don't think I'd really want to go there for my bucket list, to be honest. I think that I think the tide's coming in. What? Bucket list. Oh yeah, I'd probably go there. I'm pretty sure if the lake is that pink, there's something wrong with it. Look at that! Compared to the ocean, the colors are so different. Yummy! Oh, imagine if like someone jumps in the pool and then there's just water going everywhere. All Olivia food. Oh, that's beautiful. Whoa. No. Oh no. I said whoa. One more life left. Oh no. What? What is that like yolk? That would feel like so weird to summon. Whoa. No, bro, I lost 1 life, 0 lives. Oh no, I have to get shot by the ultimate Nerf gun. No. Oh no. Oh jeez. I guess we can watch the rest of the video since there's only 4 minutes left. Oh, 4 seconds. Oh, I have to get shot by the ultimate sniper ultra Nerf gun. I'll see you guys when I get shot. Okay guys, so I can't believe I lost, but it looks like I have to get shot by the ultra Nerf gun. And the rules are I can't jump off of the speed, and yeah, that's all that, to be honest. 3, 2, 1.
Say your prayers.
Ow! 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 Oh, that actually hurts. Oh, I missed! No, you jumped.
All done.
Oh, I hope you guys liked the video. Drop a like if you guys like Pokemon cards.